Hello and welcome to Abbeyfields Veterinary Centre. We've been here for 21 years in this lovely old building, and over the years we've gradually moved down to include more and more rooms for op suites, kennels and so on. I'd like to show you around. We're an independent practice, so we have good control over our treatment plans for animals, for the drugs that we use and how we try to care for your pet. So these are some of the girls that you'll meet if you phone in. We've got a great suite of computers and phones, so your first contact with us should be pretty simple and pretty efficient. And come and have a look in here. It's one of our consulting rooms, and it's the first point you would tend to visit us with your pet. And we'd be in here and we'd take a history and an examination of your pet and find an idea of what's going on. One of our patients is in here. We like them to be as at ease as possible, so we often find that lots of reassurance and a few treats are really quite helpful in this situation. And at the back you might notice we've got an X-ray facility as well. This is a really good system that we've developed over the years, and it's got a digital system behind it as well, which allows us to take excellent X-rays that we can see straight away on the screen, so it gives us an immediate result and hopefully an immediate diagnosis of your pet's problem. And in here is our blood testing suite. This is a very important part of the practice, and we use this regularly to find a quick result on blood testing in the pets that we need to. And we have 3 units which are really quite important to us. The first one is for testing hormones, things like thyroid hormones. Moving along to the second one, this is for testing organ function, things like liver and kidney. And finally, ahead on this side, on the right hand side, is the machine which tests for red and white cell blood counts. The beauty of these units, again, it's an immediate result to try and help you find the problem with your pet and then go ahead with treatment. Because we are an independent practice, we have full control over what drugs we can select to use on your patient. We're not bound by any rules or any corporate selling techniques, and that gives us great flexibility to try and do the best for your pet. We have a range of kennels of different sizes for the different patients that we treat. Most patients will stay with us for a day or so for their necessary procedures, but sometimes they stay a little longer. But we do our best to make their stay with us as comfortable as possible and hope they get home as quickly as possible from the care that we can offer here. We're really pleased to have a great ultrasound unit here that is really helpful for diagnostic purposes too. We use it a lot for pregnancy scanning and also for looking at organs and hearts on our patients. This little dog here is having a pregnancy scan, and we're pleased to say she's in pup, but we can do many things with it. And the great thing as well is that our pets don't have to be sedated. It's a non-invasive procedure in most cases and gives us some really good answers to your pet's condition. My practice is based in Rocester, which is actually quite a small village, but we're near some really key places that you might know. We're just down the road from JCB, we're very near to Alton Towers, and we've got a great central location in the country with good road access. But also, as we're in a village, we have got no congestion with driving to get here. We've got a car park, so your access to come and see us is really quite easy. Overall, the whole team will contribute to every aspect of your care. Our team can do surgical cases, we can do orthopaedics. We are really, really interested in veterinary medicine and solving the problems of your pets. We can take a blood sample and have a result in 10 minutes. We can take an X-ray and have a result in 10 minutes. We can endoscope or we can ultrasound with quite immediate effects. So that's a very important part that I can offer with my team, an all-round approach to your pet's needs and a proper diagnosis, and then hopefully a quick movement onto the right treatment plan to get them into recovery or moving forward. Because we're independent, we don't have to be abided by corporate rules. We can still choose who we see, what we see. We offer our own 24-hour care as well. So if you find I'm out of hours, you'll get one of myself or my other 2 veterinary tutors who work for me. But independence is quite an important part to our way of working because we feel we can offer you better care and a more personal touch than in a big corporate situation.
Versus